Hi student, today we start our new point, that is deciles and percentiles. In last lecture we studied what is meant by median and the quartiles. Quartiles means what? The value which divides the given observations or the given data in four equal parts. Median divides the given data in two equal parts. Now here we see the first one point, that is deciles. Decile is the value which divides the given observations or given data in 10 equal parts. It divides given data in 10 equal parts. And it is generally denoted by D1, D2 and so on up to D9. Suppose एखादी तुम्हाला आपण फॉर एक्झाम्पल अशी कर्व घेतली, सो ह्याची मिडल कर्व ही कर्व किती असणार आहे? D5. इकडे 1 4 3 2 and say it is 1 6 7 8 and 9. See, ह्याचे 10 पार्ट्स होतात का पहा? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So D5, D6, D7, D8 and D9. जर तुमचं कोणतंही एखादं ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे ते जेव्हा 10 पार्ट्स मध्ये डिवाइड होईल तेव्हा, आणि ही जी जनरल ऑब्झर्वेशन्स आहेत, जनरली डिसाइल्स आर डिनोटेड बाय D1, D2 and D9 up to D9. So now first we see the formula for finding the decile. Similarly, it is same as a quartile. So first we see for ungrouped data, or it is also called as a raw data. For ungrouped data, or it may be a raw data. Suppose if you give observation, that is x1, x2, x3 and so on up to xn म्हणूयात आपण, then you have to find the deciles for the data. So first, general di is equal to value of r into n plus 1 upon 10th observation, r plus 1 divided by 10th observation. आता क्वार्टाइल्स मध्ये काय लिहिलं होतं पहा आपण? क्वार्टाइल्स कोणते कोणते असतात? Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here I am taking dqi is equal to value of I into n plus 1 upon 4. Why I am dividing therefore? Because quartiles divides the data in 4 equal parts, and here deciles divide the data in 10 equal parts. So while finding deciles, we have to divide it by 10, and if we find the quartiles, then we divide it by 4. Remember that. Next, value of I is equal to what? 1, 2 and so on up to 9. म्हणजे तुम्हाला व्हॅल्यूज कोणत्या फाइंड करायला असू शकतील? D1 to D1 up to D9. ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त मोठ्याच व्हॅल्यू डिसाइल्स मध्ये काढता येत नाही. सो value of di. So first if you have to find D1, then D1 is equal to value of I into n plus 1 upon 10. Remember that if we find the quartiles, then divide it by 4. If we find deciles, then divide it by 10. Value of 1 into n plus 1 divided by 10. If we find D2, then 2 into n plus 1 upon 10. If we find D9, then take here 9 into n plus 1 upon 10 observation. Now, the formula for grouped data. For grouped data, that is di is equal to, again it is same, L plus H upon F into I into N upon 10 here. For quartiles, we write here divided by 4, and finding deciles, writing here N upon 10. If we find D1, then N upon 10. If we find D2, that is 2N upon 10 minus CF, where L is equal to lower boundary class. L is lower boundary class. Next, H means corresponding frequency. H is corresponding frequency. Sorry, H is class width. Class width. F is corresponding frequency. n upon 10, that is the value where we find the class. And next CF means the cumulative frequency less than the preceding class. This is for deciles. Now we have to take next point, that is percentiles. Percentiles. Percentile is the value which divides the given observation or the given data in 100 equal parts. It divides the given data in 100 equal parts. In 100 equal parts, and it is generally denoted by P1, P2 and so on up to P99. Percentiles are P1, P2 and so on P99, and deciles are D1, D2 and so on up to D9. Quartiles are Q1, Q2 and Q3. Now here again we are taking the formula for percentiles. Again it is for ungrouped or raw data. Ungrouped or raw data. First, if you have to any value, that is quartiles, percentile, deciles of a raw data, first you have to write the all observations or your given data in ascending order. Don't forget to write in ascending order. That is formula for percentile. ER is equal to value of R into n plus 1 divided by 100th observation, where R is equal to 1, 2 and so on 99. बस सगळ्याच व्हॅल्यूज आपल्याला इथे यूज नाही करायच्या. ते तुम्हाला जी पर्टिक्युलर त्यांनी विचारली असेल, फाइंड P65, फाइंड P50, तेवढीच फक्त व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला या ठिकाणी यूज करायची आहे. फक्त इथे जनरली काय सांगितलं की इथे आयच्या व्हॅल्यूज म्हणजे पर्सेंटाइल्स हे कुठून असतात, P1 पासून तर P99 पर्यंत. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट फॉर ग्रुप्ड डाटा. फॉर्म्युला फॉर ग्रुप्ड डाटा, that is PR is equal to L plus H upon F into R divided by again 100 minus CF. Again L is lower class, lower boundary, H is class width, F is its frequency and CF is cumulative frequency less than the preceding class. This is for deciles and this is for percentile. In exam we have to ask the question for 4 marks. You have to given any data or any observations and group data, then find quartiles, find deciles, find percentiles. If you have to find quartiles, then you should have to divide it by 4. If you have to find the deciles, then here we have to divide it by 10. And if you have to find the percentiles, then we have to divide it by 100. Now see exercise. That is next exercise, exercise number 1.2. First example is done. Calculate D6 and P85 for the following data. D6 and P85. And P85. That means here you have to find 6th decile and 85th percentile for the following data. That is 79, 82, 36, 38, 51, 72, 68, 70, 64, 63. So first, before finding the deciles and percentiles, you must have to write our observations in the ascending order. So solution, right? The given data or given observations in ascending order. In ascending order. That is, so first small observation in between them is 36. Next 38. Then 51. 51, then it is 63, 36, 38, 51. Next I am taking 63, then 64, 64, then 68. Next it is 70, 70, 72, 79 and 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Therefore, here n is equal to 10. N means total number of observations. And first you have to find the value of D6. So, right here, therefore, D6 is equal to, first write formula, value of, what is formula for DI? Value of I into n plus 1 divided by 10. Decile find करता है, so divided by 10. Value of 6 into n plus 1 divided by 10. Why I am taking here 6? Because we have to find 6th decile, that is multiply 6 into n plus 1 upon 10th observation is equal to value of 6 into n means 10. 10 plus 1 upon 10th observation. 10 plus 1 that is means here 11. Value of 11 upon 10. 11 upon 10th observation, that is value of 6 into 11 upon 10, that means 1.1th observation. And if we multiply it by 6, therefore D6 is equal to value of 6.6th observation. Value of 6.6th observation is equal to. So this is not answer 6.6. How to find this value? So 6.6 can be written as value of 6th observation. First take this 6, value of 6th observation plus. Now write the decimal, that is 0.6 into value of next observation of 6, that is 7th observation, is equal to value of 7th observation minus value of 6th observation is equal to value of 6th observation. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is 68 plus 0.6 into 6, then 7th observation is 70 minus 7, so 68, that is 68 plus 0.6, 70 minus 68, that is 2, that is 68. 6 into 2, that is 1.2, means it is 69.2. Therefore, value of 6th decile is 69.2. Now, next we have to find, that is P85. Again, write formula for P85, which is percentiles. Find deciles, you have to divide it by 10, and find percentiles, you have to divide it by 100, and for quartiles, you have to divide it by 4. Don't forget this. Now, value of 85 into n plus 1 upon 100th observation. N plus 1 upon 100, 85th percentile. So, I into n plus 1. That means here value of I is 85. So, right here is equal to value of 85 into n plus 1. N is what? 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. 11 upon 100. That means here 0.11. Value of 85 into 0.11 observation. Now take the product and write. Therefore, P85 is equal to value of 85 into 0.1. Take product 1, 5, 5 and 8. Again here 5 and 8. So 5, 8 5s are 13 and 8 plus 1, 9. That is 9.35. Value of 9.35th observation. Is equal to value of 9th observation plus 0.35 into next observation of 10, that is value of 10th observation minus value of 9th observation, which is equal to P85. Now see, value of 9th observation is 79 plus 0.35 into, now next 10th observation is 82 and 79. 10th observation is 82. So 79 plus 0.35 into 82 minus 79, hence it is 3. Now multiply 79, 35. Again 5 3s are 15. 1 carry, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 and 1.05. That is 79 plus 1, 80.05. P85, 85th percentile. This is 6th decile and this one is 85th percentiles. Now see next question, question number 2. The daily wages in rupees of 15 laborers are as follows. सेम एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत पहा, क्वार्टाइल सारखेच आहेत, फक्त डिसाइल विचारलं की 100 ने डिवाइड करा, पर्सेंटाइल विचारलं की 100 ने डिवाइड करायचं. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 3. सेकंड, calculate D8 and P90. I am writing a direct solution. You see the observation in the book. Arranging the data in ascending order. Arranging data in ascending order first. So, write the observation in ascending order. So, first one small observation in it is 180. Next one is 200. Then 210. 225. 225. Then it is 230. Next one is after 225, 230, then it is 250, 300. Next one is 350. Again here it is 350. मग आता ज्यावेळी ऑब्झर्वेशन्स असतील तुमची रॅन्डम रॉ डाटामध्ये डबल ऑब्झर्वेशन्स असतील तर ती एकदा लिहिण्याची चूक करायची नाही. जसं आपण सेटमध्ये एक एलिमेंट एकदाच लिहायचो, इथे मात्र एकदा लिहायचं नाही. जितक्या वेळा तो एलिमेंट डबल असेल तितक्या वेळा तो राईट करायचा, कारण इथे पण तुमचे नंबर ऑफ ऑब्झर्वेशन चुकणार आहे. जरी एखादं ऑब्झर्वेशन डबल असलं तरी ते डबल लिहायचं, 3 वेळा असलं तरी 3 वेळा लिहायचं. सो हियर 350 इज 2 टाइम्स, सो राईट 2 टाइम्स हियर. 350, 350. Again 375 is double here. 375, 375, 380. Next one is 400 and 450. And we have to find the D8 and P90. D8 and P90. Now see, first DI, that is D8. Is equal to value of, first right here, total number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. N is equal to 14. Total number of observations are 14, sorry 15 here. 180, check again. 180, 200, 210, 225, 230, 250. See here, 250 is again double. So total number of observations are 50. Here 3 observations are double, 250, 350 and 375. So right, value of, if your observation is missing, then your answer is gets incorrect. Value of 8 into n plus 1 upon 10th observation is equal to value of 8 into 15 plus 1 upon 10th observation. 15 plus 1, that is 16. Value of 8 into 16 upon 10. That means again it is 1.6 is equal to value of 8 into 1.6th observation. 8 into 1.6, that is 8 6 are 48, carry 4, and next 8 ones are 8, and 8 plus 4, that is 128. So here 12.8 observation. Value of 12.8 observation. So right here value of 12th observation plus decimal is 0.8 into value of 13th observation. Always write the observation next to this observation. Value of 13th observation minus value of 12th observation. That is equal to, the 8 is equal to, write the value of 12th observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, that is 375. Plus, next one is 0.8 and 75, then what is 13th observation? 375 and 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, that is 380 minus 375. 375 as it is plus 0.8 again as it is. 380 minus 75, it is 5. 375 plus 0.8, that is 4.0, and 375 plus 4, that is 379. Therefore, value of 8th decile is 379. Now next we have to find, that is P90 is equal to value of 90 into n plus 1 upon 100, because we find percentile. That is value of 90 into 15 plus 1 upon 10th observation, and that is 1.6. Right here directly value of 90 into 1.6 observation. So 90 into 1.6, that is value of 9 6 are 54, carry 1, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 5, that is 14, and 1 carry, that is 14.4th observation is equal to, I am writing here, value of 14th observation plus 0.4 into value of 14th next, that is 15th observation minus 14. Value of 14th observation is, total observations are 9, so this is 14, 400 plus 0.4, and 15th observation is 450 minus 400, that is 400 plus 0.4 into 450 minus, that is 50. 400 plus 4 point, that is 20. Since it is 460. 90th percentile is 460. Sorry, 460, 420, 400 plus 20, that is 4 and 20. you should try to solve the exercise solved examples in your book, and also you should try to solve the examples in exercise number 1.1, that is 8, 9 and 10, and send me your answer. If you have any problem, any doubt, then please ask me.